10 Best Ways to Use Guest Blogging as a Link Building Strategy, DigiPro Marketers. You probably know that guest blogging is a great way to get desired backlinks and help get organic traffic and build brand authority in the competitive market. Today, many SEO companies and website owners are adding and removing all the links from guest posts, but it can be rather effective. There are more than 152 million blogs on the internet. Removal of links can be difficult in the link building industry nowadays, as it complicates various things for marketers who use guest blogging for a specific purpose. Let's look at how to use guest blogging as a link building strategy briefly in the upcoming session, guiding you on the right path. Basic details about guest blogging. If you are ready to begin your way in guest blogging, consider your account before making a final decision. One important factor you have to know is the primary purpose of building readership and authority. If you focus on backlinks, you may come with low quality content accepted only by poor quality blogs. Nothing can be more powerful than guest posting if you know how to handle it. This is due to the sort of collaboration that is beneficial for both the host site and a guest writer. It will remain one of the topmost digital marketing tools for the long run because of its numerous benefits. Let's find out. Boost your SEO efforts because publishing guest posts on relevant websites are acquiring the finest quality backlinks. Establishing a business bond with reputable sites and obtaining them to point back to your site will increase your SEO. Not only boost your SEO but also play a vital role in your top position in the SERP. That's why it is an essential tool in digital marketing. Build brand awareness. No matter what line of industry you are in, you want people to know about you. The visibility of your brand is very important in every industry out in the market. Companies are organizing a meeting, business conference, events, and communicating with their customers regularly to achieve it. When it comes to digital marketing, guest blogging is a tool that helps you stay visible in the competitive market. Find a new audience and improve the sales cycle. With the help of guest blog posts, you have a great chance to build partnerships with other reputable websites which can assist you in becoming relevant in your industry. It also helps you to share knowledge and resources with other businesses. Get better sales cycles, those waiting for potential customers to find your website and read about your products and services. In general, the wait can be frustrating not to experience it. With guest blogging, you can make the process in a short period. What are the ways to use guest blogging effectively? There is no secret that link building is one of the critical components of a successful SEO strategy. That's why guest blogging comes in, which means for high authority websites, using quality content is an effective way to build powerful links. Blogs having more than 2,000 words get strong results comparatively. Your major goal from guest blogging should be to build authority and grow your business. If you concentrate on building backlinks, you might have plenty of links from poor quality websites. Most business people have this question: how do I build links with guest blogging? Let's see it. 1. Find your guest posting leads. The first step you have to do is generate a list of publishers that accept guest posts on relevant topics towards your industry. You should follow certain approaches such as searching for publishers by topic, searching for publishers by other bloggers, and keeping an eye on your competitors. 2. Determine the best opportunities. To leverage guest blogging for your link building, you must find relevant sites that accept guest posts. Ensure that your posts drive maximum value. You have to screen prospective publishers for excellent quality and relevancy. Below are some of the factors to consider for a promising lead. Content is always relevant to your industry. A publisher should maintain active social media profiles. Viewer and readers portray engagement through comments. Focus on other guest posts that are high quality. Use the criteria mentioned above to those leads you generated in the prior step, and you should wind up with at most a dozen publishers to pitch to. 3. Do some research on competitors' backlinks. Suppose the competitor you're analyzing has a small and large website. For bigger sites having hundreds of backlinks, identifying it can be ultimately possible. If competitors use guest blogging as a link building strategy, backlinks aren't the major reason for creating a post. All links are included organically, and pushing the backlinks will harm the content and affect your brand's reputation. Approach influencers to attain new opportunities. The process of searching for relevant sites that are willing to collaborate with guest writers can be rather time-consuming and challenging. That's why it's better to use influencers to find guest blogging opportunities. You can do it by utilizing the behavior of the most successful influencers in your niche. To get an effective result, spend more time on what they are writing about, the writing style, and the sites they publish their contents. Create your posts. Once you decide to create guest posts, you have to keep certain things in your mind when writing the posts. Start by following the guest posting guidelines of the target or relevant website. Then, concentrate on SEO and try to optimize your posts. Add a link back to your website, but make sure that it's non-promotional. Don't compromise on the readability of your post and grammar. 4. Monitor and measure. It is a time-consuming process, so make sure that you can do it efficiently and go through with all posts you've committed to writing. It can be facilitated to maintain some tracking system and keep track of whom you have pitched to. At last, measure your blog post activity results and its effect on SEO using Google Analytics. It will help you understand how much traffic you're attaining and how your link profile improves with time. Such analysis also helps you plan the best SEO strategy and keep track of your competitors. 5. Kinds of a guest post that support your link building. You probably know that guest posting is one of the feasible ways to build a high-value backlink profile that allows you to earn brand authority in your industry and boost organic traffic. However, landing page links are removed by the editor before publishing. If you want to link the content that provides value to the reader, a data point further illustrates the point you're trying to make. The genuine format for building your backlink profile with guest posting and not spamming editors. If you are looking to get your guest posting program, consider these content points to your blog. Make use of the tools for attaining more guest posting opportunities that your brand and drive SEO value for the future. Let's take a closer look at the types of guest post content that help link building. 6. Case study. It shows your value as a brand and makes it a unique piece of content to have whether you use it as a tool for guest posting. It's a great idea for building backlinks because data helps support your argument and perks if you have a graphic from the case study that you can include in your blog. It is only suitable for content to link within a guest post if it further illustrates the matter you're trying to convey. 7. Data report. Generally, publishers are always focusing on data that tells everything. While your case study can do that, proprietary data is a little bit different. Survey-based content is a sought piece of content by editors which can be a big differentiator. One of the effective types of content to present on your website, your blog should speak a lot to all of your audiences. 8. Leadership article. If you get a leadership article from your CEO, you have a great way to add value to your blog and guest post because that comes with an assumption of knowledge and experience. For instance, you can source the blog post using a quote, "Advanced technology is pushing the marketing industry to chance at a fast move." It links your guest post and more legitimacy because you're referencing experts' insights in your specific industry. Using it allows your business to develop thought leadership with the mention of your CEO. The only thing you have to remember is to choose topics based on two factors, such as your CEO's experience and your brand. 9. Always create a worthy guest post content. The only thing you have to focus on is that great content will help you attain high quality placements with your hard guest posting efforts. It allows you to get unique ideas and naturally include a link to your site in a way that gives value to the reader and the viewer. Make use of the style of guest posting to build leadership, develop content that will drive more SEO value for upcoming years, and form robust relationships with publishers that will help you to continue the ultimate benefits of your brand over and over again. 10. Chances in your business, high quality content. After getting the guest blogging, use social media to notify your followers about a new post on your blog and then check your link building strategy. You can also use website analytics tools to see the result. By doing reports, you'll increase the number of visitors and audiences, which will influence the result of the link building strategy. A few words about guest blogging for backlinks isn't viable, so you need to do it as part of an extensive marketing firm for you to generate thousands of quality backlinks and utilize plenty of other benefits. It's always better to generate fewer quality backlinks from authoritative sites than tons of low quality backlinks. To sum it up, in all aspects, guest blogging is a great way to build backlinks. However, you have to remember that building links should not be the major goal of your guest blogging. Instead of focusing on building authority, spend more on guest blogging to attain the ultimate result. Eventually, quality links will be a natural outcome on your way. Now, it's time to start your way in guest blogging and succeed.